Lovebirds are social and affectionate small parrot. The name comes from the parrot's strong, monogamous pair bonding and the long periods which paired birds spend sitting together. Lovebird is one of the 9 species of the genus Agapornis. Greek word agape means love and ornis means bird. 8 of its 9 species are native to African continent, while the gray-headed lovebird was native to Madagascar. Peach-faced lovebird is also called rosy-faced lovebird. This species of lovebird is mostly green body, orange face, blue lower back and rump, light brown beak. Yellow-collared lovebird, also called masked lovebird. The yellow-collared lovebird is a mainly green small parrot about 14.5 centimeters long. Its upper parts are a darker green than its lower surfaces. Its head is black, and it has a bright red beak with white above it and white eye-rings. Yellow on the breast is continuous with a yellow collar and an expansion of yellow over the nape of the neck. The Fischer's lovebird has a green back, green chest, and green wings. Their necks are a golden yellow, and as it progresses upward it becomes darker orange. The top of the head is olive green, and the beak is bright red. The upper surface of the tail has some purple or blue feathers. It has a white circle of bare skin around its eyes. Lillian's lovebird, also called Nyassa lovebird. The Lillian's lovebird is 13 centimeters long and is mainly green with white eye-rings. It has orange on its head, neck, and upper chest, and has a green rump. Male and female are identical in external appearance. The Lillian's lovebird is often mistaken for the slightly larger Fischer's lovebird, which has an olive green hood and a blue rump. It is also broadly similar to the peach-faced lovebird, which has more clearly demarcated orange coloration and lacks a white eye-ring. The black-cheeked lovebird is 14 centimeters in length. With mostly green plumage, reddish-brown forehead and forecrown, brownish-black cheeks and throat, orange bib below the throat which fades to yellowish-green, white eye-rings and gray feet. Adult have bright red beaks, while juveniles of the species are similar but with a more orange bill. The black-winged lovebird, with a length of about 16 to 16.5 cm, is the largest of all the lovebirds. It is sexually dimorphic. Both the male and female black-winged lovebird are mostly green, and only the adult male black-winged lovebird has a red forehead and a ring of red feathers around its eyes. The tail is black-tipped, and feathers below the tail show a yellowish color. The rump and feathers above the tail are light green. In the male, feathers under the wing are typically black. And in the female, the feathers under the wing are typically greenish or brownish black. Both sexes have a red beak and gray feet. The red-headed lovebird is a 15 centimeters long, mostly green parrot. It has a well-demarcated red area on its head, extending from the top of the beak, over the forehead, to mid-crown, and extending to the left and right up to the eyelid margins. It has gray feet. The underside of the wings is a lighter green. The female has orange head coloring, which is less well demarcated than the male's red head. The adult male has a red beak while the female's is a paler red. The tail has a red, yellow and blue bar. The black-collared lovebird, also referred to as Swinburne's lovebird, is a rare lovebird species. It is a mostly green parrot with black-collared nape, brownish-red chest, grayish-black bill, yellow iris and gray feet. Both sexes are similar. The gray-headed lovebird, also called Madagascar lovebird. They are native on the island of Madagascar, and are the only lovebird species which are not native on the African continent. It is one of the smallest species of the lovebird genus, being 13 centimeters long and weighing about 30 to 36 grams. It is rarely seen in aviculture and it is difficult to breed in captivity. Its beak and feet are pale gray. The species is sexually dimorphic. The adult female is entirely green, with a dark green back and wings, a bright green rump, and a paler green chest. The adult male are similarly colored, except that their entire head and upper chest are a pale gray.